So in last video we we saw that selling overheads includes salaries of sales manager, salesman, traveling expenses, and commission to the salesman, advertising expenses, showroom expenses, rebate to the consumer. So in this video we can see the remaining. Okay, next distributive expenses, packing and carriage charges. Next, godam rents, insurance of finished goods in godams. Next, cost of loading and unloading, etc. So depreciation means reduction in the value of an asset like building furnitures, equipments, maintenance charges. Next, estimation procedure. We saw the overheads, and now estimation procedure. First, prepare the list of all the components of a product. So firstly we need to prepare the firstly you need to manufacture a product. Okay, like you need to manufacture uh, a phone, a mobile phone. So we need to list of products. Okay, how many number of sensors to be used. Okay, how many number of batteries. Okay, what are the chips. Okay, next to what type of plastic, what type of glasses, we need to list it. Next, decide whether to buy from the outside or manufacture in the factories of a particular product. Okay, some product are mechanical products, some can be buy from outside, like we can say the coolants. Okay, coolants, and other things can be buy, but some product can be manufactured by ourselves, like casting. Okay, for the casting someone's and making the nuts and bolts, we can be manufactured in our workshops or the in our companies or in the factories. Next one, decide the requirement and specifications of a product by production and planning department. Okay, now we need to consult the planning department and the production department. Next one, make the drawing and lay down the method and sequence of operation by production and planning department. So to manufacture a product, okay, now first we need to draw the sketch. Okay, you need sketch how the designing in the outlet of a product, and in which method it was efficiently, and to decrease the cost and utilizing the material. Okay, next, and what is the sequence of operation, which operation done by the first, second, third. Okay, that can be properly done by concerning the production and planning department. Next one, decide the accuracy and requirements. Based on the customer requirements, we can he can offer the accuracy and the finish. If he required a surface good finish, means a good surface, smooth surface, it required more money. Okay, if he required lesser roughness, okay, lesser roughness, average means medium money. Okay, next, determine the cost of a material by calculating the quantity of a material for each component. In last video, how to calculate the material cost or the labor cost, we have saw that. So we need to determine this. Next, determine the time required for the various operation by time and motion study, and giving various allowances. Next, determine the labor cost considering the wages rates of various categories of operations. So we need to determine the cost of a labor, direct labor, indirect labor, how much time it's what spent for to manufacture the product. Next, determine the prime cost. Prime cost means direct material cost, direct labor cost, and the expenses. Next, determine the factory overheads, administrative overheads, and selling and distribution overheads. They are calculated total overheads of the entire organization. So we need to calculate all the uh, factory overheads and administration overheads and selling distribution overheads by calculating the all the entire money. Next, determine the total cost. Next, determine the selling price after deciding the profit. We need to decide the profit, how much you had requirement. Okay, if you require the profit for the manufacturing products 1 rupee, 2 rupee, according to that we can need to decide the total price or the selling prices. Okay, next one, determine the catalog price after deciding the discount allowed to the distributor. What do you mean by catalog price? Means market price. We need to determine the market price also. Okay, market price means the how much amount to the market is running. Okay, if you manufacturing a pen, it was running as a 5 rupees. Okay, it was the market rate is 5 rupees. You need to get manufactured by the 4 rupees. Okay, now you need to get the 1 rupee 0.5 rupees means half 50 paisa is your profit. Then the 50 paisa is your selling and distribution and other expenses. Next, decide the delivery time with the consolidation of production department. Next one is the comparison between the estimation and costing is very important for the 3 marks. Okay, estimation and the costing. Firstly, it is done by before production. It is costing is done after the production. So the basic definition of costing and estimation. First one, estimation. To calculate, okay, to calculate the amount of a product before manufacturing starts is known as estimation. What is costing? Calculation of total amount of a product after manufacturing, including all the allowances, is known as costing. Okay, estimator should be engineer. Next, costing should be done by accountant. Okay, we are giving the estimation for manufacturing a product. This product requires 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. It is the estimation, but after adding all the allowances, it gets 15,000 or 16,000. It's accountant can be done. It's the work of accountant. Next, it gives the profitable of a product. Okay, now by the estimation we can say that it is a profit or loss. It aims to determine the actual cost of a product. Now by adding these we can say that the actual product cost. Next, it helps to fix up the market price, means catalog price. Next, it helps for the budget preparation. Next, summary. So in this video we learn, so far we studied overheads such as factory, administration, selling, distribution expenses, depreciation, estimation procedure, comparison between estimation and costing. Now you need to check yourself. A small quiz for you. Which of the following are the factory overheads? Showroom expenses, indirect labor cost, packing and carriage charges, all these above. So what is the answer? Indirect labor cost. What is factory overheads? Prime cost plus factory cost is known as factory overheads. Next one, prime cost means sum of direct labor cost, direct material cost and expenses. Okay, now third one, C. Next one, estimation is done by who will done? A technical person, a accountant only, any one of this? No, accountant can done the costing. Who can do the estimation? We are the technical persons can do the estimation. Next, costing is done by accountant. Okay, sorry, it's a wrong answer. It is costing is done by accountant only. Now you need to submit the assignment. Write any 4 examples of selling overheads. Write 8 examples of administration overheads. Write the comparison between the estimation and costing, and write the procedure of estimation. Thank you.